Let's get a check-in on the market now with business reporter Edward Boyd.
Ed, we've got results out from a few major companies this morning. One is being hit hard from the coronavirus. What's that?
That is Cochlear, the implant maker. They've come out today and said they're expecting their profit to be lower in this first half due to the coronavirus affecting its surgeries in China. The CEO and president put out a statement this morning, Dig Howard, saying it has become clear that the coronavirus will impact the number of cochlear implant surgeries in Greater China, a top 5 market for Cochlear. While we cannot predict how long surgeries will be delayed, the low end of the guidance factors in a significant decline in sales for Greater China in the second half. So they're expecting underlying profit to be $270 million to $290 million, which is down from $290 million to $300 million, which they had predicted earlier. So Cochlear is going to take a little bit of a hit this half, and it'll be interesting to see how their share price reacts in early trading this morning. Also reporting today was Suncorp Group, the Queensland-based bank and insurer, and they said their net profit fell about 7% today to $348 million during the first half of the financial year, weighed down by bushfire and hailstorms as expected. The company said there were 7 natural disaster events in Australia and New Zealand during the 6 months to December last year, and also 3 more events in January this year in Australia. So they've had 42,219 claims lodged in Australia and 3,260 in New Zealand. And in good news for some of their customers, 90% of bushfire claims assessments have already taken place. And the last big company reporting today is toll road operator Transurban, and their profit jumped 11% today to $162 million, with average traffic growing 2.3%. Transurban obviously own a lot of toll roads in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and the United States. And the US was where they had their biggest rise in toll revenue. They've got some express lanes in Virginia, the state of Virginia, and toll revenue there jumped 16%. Overall, their toll revenue was up 10% across the whole business to $1.4 billion. So tolls are still really paying off nicely for Transurban, guys.
Yeah, well, they should be. I tell you what, you see some of those monthly bills, someone's got to be making some money out of it. Thanks for that, Ed.